The Bird Show. Hello everyone, hi, good afternoon, and welcome to the Bird Show for today. This is our first session. In our park, we have two sessions. The first one is the 12:30 and for the last one 3:30 p.m. But today, Madam Ali, I will be your host. So before we start the show, here the information for the Canberra Park. We are established on the 15th February 1991 and we are housing more than 3,000 local and foreign birds here. Our park was big in the 21 and first one. Without wasting our time, let's invite our first performer for today, Blue Angle Macau. We invite Ringo. So give it to Ringo, everyone. So Ringo will show to you how Ringo raised the Malaysian flag and flag the people that we have in our park. So give it to Ringo, the flag the people. Gunung yang bersemangat seperti kita pada hari ini. Dan seterusnya, our African great parent, we invite Elio and our channel of voice today, Mr. Raihan. Today what we have for our audience here. What was that? That was a welcome from our audience from Elio. And now that's all. Elio will show to you how birds do the acrobatic trick. Jadi untuk seterusnya, Mary akan tunjuk dekat anda macam mana burung buat aksi akrobatik. Okay, ya, kita sedia. One, good, two, three, and last. Good, and for the next trick, one, two, three, and last. Four, there was a new for the acrobatic trick from the birds. Okay, here in our park, for those that have experience to feed the birds, we have three sections here. We have world of parrot, ostrich area, and the emu section. Only these three places to allow to feed the birds. For the up next, we have yellow neck Amazon parrot. We invite Coco. Okay, jadi hari ini untuk Coco, saya akan tanya Coco beberapa soalan. Alright, Coco, we ready? We have our audience here. Now, I will ask you a question. So, before we start with the question, how about you say something to our audience?
Hello.
We can hello to our audience. Okay, start with the first question. Soalan pertama. Okay, Coco. If you see pretty lady, what will you say, Coco?
Hi.
There we go. See? That's very right. Say hi. Okay, the one for the pretty ladies. How about when you see the little children? What you want to say? There you go. See, it's a clever to see the difference. Now, go, I want to know. How you feeling today? Are you feeling good or not? Okay, you feeling good, right? Okay, hari ini cukup baik. Okay, jadi kita nak tahu, kalau burung ni gembira, dia buat apa? Okay, Coco, show out there. If you are happy, what will you do, Coco? There we go. So, give it to Coco, everyone. Our yellow cat represent parrot. Jadi untuk spesies ni, dia boleh ingat lebih daripada 100 patah perkataan. Okay, betapa hebat dia untuk dia meniru suara-suara yang dia dengar. So for this species, they can remember more than 100 words. Okay, for the outback, we have a free flies performance for our elected parents. For this performance today, our trainers would like to have a volunteer from our audience. Okay, so before I ask our audience who want to be the volunteer, I saw the one of our audience, the fastest one, raise their hand up. Okay, Miss, okay, I saw you. Okay, you can go to the trainer there to do the next performance. Okay, let's invite Eden, our elected parents. Okay, our volunteer ready? Yeah, here you go. We ready to see them? this species, if you want to see the difference between male and female, male green color, female the red color for the feathers. Good job, Eden. Thank you to our volunteer. Okay, now we want last volunteer. Raise your hand up. Miss, okay, go to the train. Okay, for the last Eden, ready for you? Jadi untuk spesies ini, macam mana kita nak tahu jantan betina, kita tengok daripada warna bulu badan ni. Untuk jantan dia berwarna hijau, betina berwarna merah, and for the diet, sunflower seeds, peanuts, and fruit. Good job. Thank you again. Thank you also to our volunteer for the performance. And for the up next, we have a racing competition for Macau, perlombaan burung kakak tua. Right, now for the race, we have our pole here, so for the ring. And for today, in this race, we have a rule. We see which Macau we finish first to put this ring back to the goal. Tak ada peraturan. Kita akan tengok burung kakak tua mana yang paling laju. Let's invite our first competitor, Blue and Gold Macau, named Tommy. And we invite our second competitor, same species, Popeye. Okay, so before we start the race, Tommy and Popeye, one supporters, one cheerleader nak penyokong hari ini. Today, who think Tommy will be the winner? Raise your hands up. Who want to be in the Tommy team? Come on, Tommy team. Okay, now Tommy team, shout Tommy!
Tommy!
Tommy! Louder! Tommy!
Tommy!
Okay, we have team Tommy. Team Popeye, raise your hands up. Who think? Okay, now team Popeye, shout Popeye!
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 Okay, everyone, you ready to the team? Okay, take a minute. Okay, so for the yellow color, we have for Popeye. Blue color for Tommy. Sorry. Blue color for Popeye, yellow for Tommy. Okay, now, we ready? So we will start the race. Shout for the team. On your mark, get set and go. Okay, shout one. Tommy, Popeye, Tommy. Okay, ready, 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 ready. Okay, let's do Popeye. Okay, Popeye for the second race.
哇，他一次过哪完了？
There were many supporters for Popeye. Okay, go Popeye for the last.
他一次过哪完了？是。
At last. Okay. Now we ask our trainers, what the problem? Okay, there you go. Our trainer said, not fair, cheated. Who think Tommy cheated here? Raise your hands up. Have you cheated? Okay. Now who think Tommy was smart? Raise your hands up. They were smart, right? There were no rules for the bird. So give your hand to Tommy and Popeye.
一次过哪完？
啊？
一次过哪完？
是啊。
Here put up next, the performance from Tommy. Seterusnya adalah perluan daripada Tommy. Apa Tommy nak buat? Tommy akan tunjukkan anda bersama dengan burung kakak tua main gelusong. Okay Tommy, ready? Okay, watch your step. You skip a step. You almost there. There you go. That was good. Thank you Tommy. Here put up next, you see our colourful Macau. Burung kakak tua yang berwarna-warni. Lepas ini, we invite green wing macaw named Jody. Jadi hari ini untuk Jody, kita akan uji mata burung kakak tua. Berapa tajam mata burung kakak tua? Jadi kita ada 3 mangkuk kosong dan juga dadu. Kita akan sembunyikan dadu dan Jody kena cari di manakah dadu yang disembunyikan. This performance for Jody, we want to test the Macau eyesight. How sharp is Macau eyesight? Our trainers will hide the wooden dice and Jody will try to find it. Okay, jadi focus to the trainers. And you can choose maybe. Okay, one down the high spot. But the first one too slow. Easy. Now trainers, for the second round, make sure you make it faster than before. Jadi sebab apa yang pertama tadi perlahan, kita akan tambah laju lagi. Okay, sedih sorry. Now moment number 2 Julie. Where's the winning dance? Diamond, that was amazing. For the workout eyesight, it's the same time sharper than human being. Mata burung kakak tua ni 7 kali tajam daripada mata manusia. Up next, we have a sulfur crested cockatoo. We invite Julie. Lagi seekor burung berwarna putih nama Julie. We want to test for Julie memory. Can Julie put it back? Our color wooden block followed by the color and the shape. Kita kena tak semula. Kita bentuk dan juga warna. Okey, untuk yang pertama dia macam senang sedikit. Okey. Yellow, blue, and red. And see, that was easy, right? Okay, trainers who mix the color and the shape. That was the first one that was too easy. Kan yang tadi pernah senang sangat lah. Kita cuba campur bentuk dan juga warna kali ini. Okay, atau tidak Julie? Julie go the red first. And go to the middle for the yellow. And back to blue. We're almost there for the last. There you go, that was amazing. Now for the yellow. For the sulfur crested. They also can do. They have memorized more than 100 trees. And again, for the up next performance, we invite the winner for the race. Our blue and gold macaw, Tommy. Jadi hari ini Tommy akan tunjuk juga dekat anda apakah sukan kegemaran Tommy di Taman Burung. For the up next the performance to show is the spot that Tommy likes in our bird park. All the way to the end, we will have our net and ball. Yes, everyone, it's a basketball for macaw. Bola jaring untuk burung kakak tua. Good. That was see how fast they got the block, and that was jump, and that was so much today. That was amazing. Now we have the free flying performance for our macaw. For the free flying performance, everyone, you have to remain seated. And for those stand, please find your seat. Because we want to do the flying for free macaw. Let's invite Zizu, green wing macaw. Jadi tetap duduk, jangan berdiri. Sebentar lagi Zizu akan terbang ke kawasan tempat duduk anda. And for the stand at behind, you have to find the seat because our macaw will fly to our amphitheater. For the macaw lifespan is 40 to 60 years old, and the longest macaw can live until 90 years old. Jangka hayat burung kakak tua bercecah hingga 90 tahun. For the macaw diet, sunflower seeds, peanuts and fruit. And for the green-winged macaw species, these are the second largest macaw in the world. Jadi untuk spesies ini adalah kedua yang terbesar di dunia. Okay, you ready to fly down to the trainers and our audience viewers. Thank you to Zizu, so give me hands to Zizu. tunjuk dekat anda. Kalau jumpa sampah, kita nak buat apa? Let's invite Q, blue and gold locale species. Okay, Q, show us how to keep the environment clean. Keep it fresh and put it back to me. Everyone, Q want to remind you the importance to keep the environment clean. So give me a to Q to remind us. Now to the end, my show for today, I will invite my trainers to make the show possible. My right side here, we have Mr. Mo with you. Left hand side, Mr. Raham with you. Once again, my name is Ali. Thank you to coming to Camper Park and have a nice day, everyone. Bye, see you again. Okay, now, so before you all go, you have a last word to say to our audience here. You, what you want to say to the audience? Bye-bye. Okay, no, bye-bye. Now, here we also have a ladies here. What you want to say for the ladies? I love you. That's so sweet. Okay, Q, for the last. There you go, last time here, guys. Bye, everyone.